Hello guys, I would like to share you guys how I navigate my Poodle and this side. First of all, I click on this part, Editor and Poodle. I click on it and then I click on add a new discussion topic. Like this. Yeah, then you may see I've got a new discussion topic with subject, message, and I'm gonna write my subject, my very first Poodle here. And then I've got my first try on this tool. Yeah. And then I bold my phrases, I change the color of my words, and I change the heading with large. Yeah, you may see. And then I insert a picture of my own. Like this, I upload 5 and I pick one of my picture. So sorry, I got no pictures on this file. And I may use another one to handle. I may record my audio. Hello, nice to meet you. This is my very first video tutorial. Thank you for your following. Hello, nice to meet you. This is my very first video tutorial. Thank you for your following. And then attach. Yeah, you may see right now I've got a recording. You may replay it to make sure it runs smoothly. Hello, nice to meet you. This is my very first video tutorial. Thank you for your following. Yeah, and then I post the forum. That's my sharing. Thank you.